For this good Peter. Some people wanna cause disaster. They wanna push him out to put you for gutter. But all of my all Sabina Banta. Now why they use the enter. Up Fubara they use my temper. If they see me, they do me like that. They never is a combo color my butter. Aye, Peter Caricha. I'm leaning, Peter Caricha. Aye. When am I till? Say, okay. For this good Peter, some people wanna cause disaster. They wanna push him out to put you for gutter. But all of my other Sabina Banta. Now why they use the enter? Up a Fubara they use my temper. If they be see me, they do me like that. And I use a combo color my butter. See, Peter Caricha, I believe the baby Caricha. Before you go separate fight. As you see me so, and you hear them mighty, everybody know. And that's why if I say Malay Yabalaya, and they got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that what it? Okay. Oh, one logo. Oh, no. Yeah. States. Hold on first. Melody. There must be something for the hustler. I give you my formula. They know me most popular. They don't say they want me for vernacular. Hold on first. Now, you get what I want to do now. I want like television, watch this and I want to do now. Now, Dr. Mighty, they do this. This is Port Harcourt first one. I need a phone when I get SIM. I need a new phone now. And I need a new SIM. Now, as I don't put this SIM inside this phone, oh, thank you for this new phone. I beg. You don't put a new SIM. I beg, I want me this new SIM, dial back CANIRIV. As you don't put new SIM for this phone, I want make you say, CANIRIV, we go call them now. CANIRIV go answer us back again. Not true? It go happen. If we call SIM, CANIRIV go answer. For 8 years, CANIRIV don't die. He died. Entertainers they cry. Now I won't call SIM. They don't give me new phone. SIM. This not about to last anthem. Hold on. Fubara, we are calling on you on behalf of Port Harcourt entertainers. Now our empty SIM be this. We don't gotta give God, they don't give us you now. As you don't enter this our phone, I beg make you answer our call, return our CANIRIV for us. SIM Fubara. I beg Mona clap and he don't give us signs, saying don't return. Make it nice. Okay. But no, when they mighty, yeah. Okay. Oh no, yeah. See, melody. I want to tell you something with my melody. Gabo and mighty melody. Duncan mighty Jiwa man melody. I am my fancy, listen to my melody. Melody. There must be something for us tonight. I give you my formula. They call me most popular. They don't say they bought me for vernacular. Oh no, for us tonight. I give you my form. Palesha chief for staff. Organic. They don't say that. DJ. Jesus is there. He's there. Eli kwere ya bola we ya Yahweh. Jesus is amazing. Jesus is amazing. Whenever Jesus is amazing. Yahweh. Magasi lemao. Ali ora Yahweh kumza. Hey. Hold on. This one a special request. Now God just make me the first but I got to Galava. When they met in Yabula, make with the bricota when they dicota when they walk. When they met teacher, yeah, oh, when they mighty, everybody make it dance. Everybody, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? Cha. I'ma tell you, the way they want now make me the salty. I never seen again the way find the passing. Anytime they passing for road now. Every other girl for that road must back. You to find the road. I must try to make mine. So anyway, see Duncan mighty tell and say when. You said shine to Duncan. You said thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Simplified.